Meteorologist Jennifer Lambers. Jen, good morning to you. Hopefully this stuff is just getting past us this morning.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Luckily it is. Not expecting the same situation like we saw yesterday, how the system moved in and it just stayed stationary and it just brought that constant moisture in. Luckily this one, you can see the end there. Our Mississippi counties finally starting to see some relief. Portions of Washington County and even a little bit of Mobile County, they're beginning to look a lot better, but we still just got to get through there. In case you're heading out anytime soon, you're probably hearing all of that thunder, all of that lightning. Things are active right now. Make sure you're being careful. Right now, the big bulk of that lightning taking place in southern Mobile, Baldwin counties, just over Mobile Bay. I mean, take a look at all of those lightning flashes. Over 3,000 just in the past 30 minutes. It is active out there. It is loud out there. And this heavy rainfall is not helping, especially closer towards Pensacola, Milton, Seminole. We've already seen so much of that so far for this morning. So again, in case you are heading out, drive extremely careful at this time. Still tracking a lot of that heavy rain beginning to push through just the Florida Panhandle. You can really begin to see that line there just beginning on that eastward approach. Pensacola, you're really going to start to see some relief not too long from now. Just closer towards Seminole and Molina, we're starting to see some of that light rainfall. That'll get closer towards you really in about the next 30 to 45 minutes. Inland spots, Monroeville, Evergreen, Uri. Still just starting to see some of that constant rainfall, but luckily a lot of that lightning, that thunder activity, that has subsided. Now taking a look at the alerts map out there, pretty much everywhere that's seeing that heavy rain, severe thunderstorm warning in place. Heavy rain, constant thunder, lightning, heavy downpours, really that's going to be the biggest thing that we're keeping a close eye out for this morning. So just make sure you're being cautious. Flash flood warning right now in place for really just downtown Mobile, the I-65 corridor, plus also portions of the eastern shore just near Spanish Fort, Daphne, and north of Fairhope there. So be cautious in case you are heading out. And also what we're starting to see for that 24-hour rainfall, the rain gauge only goes to 10 plus inches there. Really starting to see a lot of that in southern and central Baldwin County right here, plus also Escambia County, Pensacola Beach, Gulf Breeze. You just got the main portion of those showers and thunderstorms last night where it just stayed stationary and sat over you, bringing in constant rainfall. But really radar estimated rainfall is over 15 to 16 inches in all of those areas. Now we are keeping a close eye on your traffic conditions. Chelsea and Vanessa were just briefly mentioning that. Again, I-65 southbound, they did see some storm debris, so completely closed. Right before you get to the Dolly Parton Bridge, you're really going to start to see that lane closure is taking place, so north of Bay Minette. Again, this is going to be I-65 southbound, I-65 northbound, moving smoothly at this time. But we are still starting to get reports of power outages just closer towards some intersections. Just a reminder, if it's flashing yellow, just take it easy. You still grow through, you just yield. Just make sure you're being careful. If it's flashing red, you stop and wait for the all clear for all of those passing cars to go through. We're going to work to keep you updated here on Fox 10 for this morning, continuing to track some of these thunderstorms, although we will start to see some relief. More expected this afternoon and this evening. I'm going to have the full rundown with the timing and the details that you need to know coming up soon. Chelsea, Vanessa.